औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी व यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to understand something about civic participation. Civic participation or civic engagement, it is the participation of an individual or a group activity to address the issues of public concern. Civic engagement describes the connection of people within a society through common interest. That is, civic engagement is a activity of an individual or a group to have some concern, to have some debate about issues that are concerned to their public life. Now I will explain it in some detail. We know that we are living in 21st century, and 21st century society is a complex society. Majority of the society is facing so many social, economic and educational issues like harassment, inequalities, gender-based harassment, economic and social issues like underdevelopment, unemployment, exploitation, and educational issues like literacy, illiteracy rate, and child labor, and low quality education, school dropout, and religious sectarianism, and many other issues. I want to say that in 21st century we are living in a very complex society that is confronted with so many social and moral and educational issues such as harassment, gender-based discrimination, our educational issues like school dropout, low literacy rate, and illiteracy rate. All these social issues are have great concern. No single stakeholder is able to solve these issues. These issues could only be solved by the collaboration of government, NGOs, business community, and local government. That means no one person in society or no one a group in society can solve these problems. To solve these issues, public issues, for example, educational issues, not only students are able to participate in such issues. These issues could be solved by the collaboration of government, NGOs, business community, and our local government. So civic engagement is the involvement of citizens in community organization and a mutual trust among the community members. Civic engagement is a process that creates organization among the community members and mutual trust among the community members so that they come together and to have debate to solve the issues of common concern. Community game engagement or community participation. Definition of Diller has defined it as that civic engagement is any activity where people come together in their role as a citizen. While Paul Ehrlich says that civic engagement is a means of working either through political or non-political process to make a difference in a society or community by promoting quality of life in a community. Ehrlich says that civic engagement is a process that is by which different members of a society or a community work together, and maybe by political participation or by without political participation, so that they can create a change in the quality of life of a community. Now we comes towards the process of civic engagement. Civic engagement builds trust and relationship with public. Trust is necessary to develop relationship among the members of a society. Holistic approach to civic engagement consists of 5 stages. At first, prepare. Understand the context in which the issue will be addressed to assess community readiness. This phase ends with the decision to launch work on the public issue using civic engagement, that is public discussion, reflection and collaboration. That first step in the process of civic engagement is the preparation, that the groups of the community come together and have a discussion and a dialogue so that they come to a point that they have to do some work or something for their different members of a society come together and discuss about the different aspects of the issue, and they present the issue in such a manner, in such a clear manner that they determine the all possible underlying facts about the issue. They deliberate about the issue so that they come to a final point that what they have to do for their issue. Number three point comes the analysis. They foster dialogue on to explore various perspectives and viewpoints and deepen understanding of the issue, deliberate to generate options. Third step, that is analysis. In-depth analysis of the issue is very crucial for the settlement of the issue. In this stage, they analyze and present all the possible solution for the issue. They deliberate to generate a solution and present different options to analyze the issue in depth. Number 5 is synthesis. Conduct dialogue to align the clarified issue with identified options. Deliberate to reach a decision and translate the decision into a plan. Number 4 step, that is synthesis, that they conduct dialogue so that the issue comes in a clear form in front of them. Then they deliberate each decision and translate the decision into a plan. Okay, what plan will be adopted to solve the issue. Then the last step comes act together to create use creative trust and relationship to make collective action to address the issue. Intellectual alignment and design of dialogue and deliberation for each of the 5 civic engagement stages is critical. Process includes careful question design. If you ask the wrong question, you get the wrong answer. Skills in listening, questioning, and framing are important to civic engagement process. In the last, we sum up that all these 5 steps are very important in the identification of the problem. Skills of listening, questioning, and framing the important points at different stages are very crucial to the civic engagement process. If you question the right, you will get the right answer. If you will have wrong question, you will have wrong answer. So be careful, develop a listening skill, and then answer properly in what role you are playing in your civic engagement process.